So hello guys, here we are going to talk about today expiry special. On Thursday, recently I took a trade and I was planning for a zero to hero, and if you know, market moved to 23,100, around nearly where I have projected. I had bought 23,100, and at that time at exactly 12:30 the market was sitting at how much, at below 23,000, and it was near to go. I was thinking it will go 23,100, and it went, and it again went to 190. My option premium, my call option was went when I bought it, it was 15 rupees. It went 15 to 30 rupees. Then it came down to 20 rupees. Then it struck out of the stadium, and it gone exact at around touched 100, and then it came back. Okay, so you were thinking that what gone wrong in it. If I had with the quantity, it was only one lot. Okay, to test the market. For testing, I had a loss of 210 rupees, including taxes around 300 something. Okay, but but what's the catch in it? As it should have gone wrong according to the thumbnail, I had made a loss on it, and I missed the position while I was right. So I want you to understand and know, so that you don't repeat that mistake, because this mistake is every kind of trader can do. Advanced trader can do, a beginner trader can do, and if he's an elite trader, he might not. Okay, I'm not elite, I'm rather a beginner trader. Okay, so I've been in the markets for a while. I've been tracking all the Thursdays. Previous three Thursdays, previous three times, the Thursday was a bit sideways, a bit mute. Okay, so I was expecting that this kind of momentum was anticipated and it could have come. Okay, and I was thinking, sure, 100 rupees. Okay, sure, 100 rupees. One lot also 7,500 in the account straight. But the blunder which I made, as I had written, execution is the key. I went wrong with the execution. I was having lunch. Okay, I'll tell you why this catastrophic thing happened. Because I was right, my position was right, my timing was right, my option was right, my entry time was right, entering price was time right, sorry, it was, everything was right. What made me blunder, or took my trade from the moon to thrash it in the ground, on the ground. It was seriously just like execution problem. I personally believe it was just an execution problem. I took the trade, and I just took the trade. But we will go on the charts. Okay, and I will discuss you on my screen. It would be better. I forgot to take the screenshot of the call option, but I have the charts with me. I can convey the message with you. So let's jump to the charts. Okay,
Let's go through the screen recording here. As you can see, the market is shooting up. It's a weekly time frame. Let's go on a daily one. Okay, so as I was planning here, I had seen the consolidation and I was anticipating this breakout, although I have not started buying yet, as it's a good roaring momentum. Okay, it's a good roaring momentum, although I have not started buying due to some my thought process, although the trend line is also broken yet. Yes, I'll wait for a pullback. So first let's go and see the call option. Sorry, I was diverted a bit by seeing the markets. As you can see here we got acha. Here I have not removed my profit and loss. This one Friday actually I had not traded. Premiums was a bit good. Okay, that's the reason. So let's check. So here you can see at 15 minutes that it at my position when I entered, Okay, it's Thursday, right? Yeah, it's Thursday. It's Thursday, and in 15 minutes it's very clear. It just broke and it went straight up. But due to using the confluence of 5 minutes, this trade turned bad. Okay, I'll show you how. At exactly around 12 o'clock, I saw that the market is around near here. Okay, this was the high, and I was thinking this high will break and I would enter around here at this candle, at this candle I will enter. Okay, so this candle I will enter. Okay, but at the 5 minutes when this candle made the green candle, it was sort of like a shooting star sort I have been seeing, but it became green, and so I entered here. I just entered here, and this four candles, the next three candles was such a mute that it made me exit the position. And I'll show you how the call chart was. It was something like this, and here the market was waiting. Okay, and here it was 15 rupees where I bought. Okay, and a bit below, just a bit below 50, here it was 15, and the lower swing was 13 rupees. So I thought I would placing my SL here. Okay, it was a very tight SL. Okay, that was also a mistake, I guess. I found out, okay, that it was a tight SL, but re-entry could be made. As the market hit 13 rupees, it went to 12 rupees. Okay, so I thought I should exit the position, so I exited. Okay, after exiting, what happened at around 12:30, we I saw that near the consolidation it went bit high, it went 30 rupees. Okay, and after that making a spike, it came down and near 20 rupees. 20 rupees I saw, and while the time I was in do having my lunch. Okay, at 12:30 around, the market started to move, and this was the momentum where it the call valuation was 30 rupees. And then at this candle, you can see this red candle here. At this point, it from 30 rupees it went to 20 rupees, down, and then when this was broken, okay, suddenly from 20 rupees, suddenly from 28 around, it directly shot up and it went to 28 to directly 100 rupees. It touched 100, and then it came back. Okay, that time was I saw after having my expensive lunch, that the lunch was very expensive and market was here. Okay, I had bought a OTM of 23,100, while the market was lying at 23,073.80 around, and I had bought around 23,100, and I was projecting market will surely move till 120. If it moves above, it's fine. If not, I'll book my profits at 120. Okay, and a clear it was when it went up, but execution and the theta was a thing. ठीक है, theta and Thursday it is very important to be careful with theta, as theta decay. Here there was a 3 candle pause, and this 3 candle pause made the call option to decay very faster. Okay, because it was Thursday expiry. Okay, but this was expected momentum, this was a anticipated momentum. I had surely anticipated it, and only the execution of finishing it. Okay, as I entered, I had to put my stop loss a bit bigger, and if my stop loss was hit at 12 rupees and I had exited my position at 13 rupees, when again the market was sustaining it, and when this breakout happened, I have to be sure that market will be moving in my way, and I have to re-entering here and waiting till here. 20 rupees is not an issue, because I will be buying around 15 to 18 rupees again. Okay, then I have to surely get my target to one as it shot up. So I will be booking at 160, around 86 points on the chart, and nearly 90 to 100 rupees on the call option. Because if you are doing a zero hero, it's no use if you not target 100. It should be 1 is to 10. Okay, for planning the special expiry cycle, it's very important. For around 1 is to 10, it's very important. Okay, so I've seen that this process works. Okay, so now this was it.
So I hope you saw the video of my screen recording. Sorry, it was a bit long video. I have not thought that it will be such stretched one. Okay, but I hope you like it and you understand the mistake. Always remember that the execution is very important at the price you are entering, at the price you are exiting the position, and theta is very important if you are trading on Wednesday and Thursday for option buyers. Okay, other days are option selling are good. And currently, tell me if you are buying or not in the roaring market. I have been not started buying because I believe my my sort of examination or analysis don't say it just now. Okay, but we can start actually. uh, I've been to think of some buying some stocks. Okay, so I hope you enjoy it, and better you make a good profits.